something new, and that should be different from the others. If it is a different from the others, then only we are going to have the market for our products. As nowadays, as our countries are in, now it is under a growing country, it is not an, okay, still it is developing only. We should have a cheaper one. Why we need to have a cheaper one? As it is a developing country, we are having below poverty or poverty line people. So whatever we innovated, whatever we introduced, it should be reached to the all the people. That is the reason we need to have, yeah, something cheaper. Then only we are going to reach the target. If you have seen cabs nowadays. So many cabs are there like Ola, Uber, Rapido. Previously also we are having these type of cab facilities. We used to have a Maru cabs with a 200 cabs in that. They purchased 200 cabs, 200 own vehicles they have. They have rendered a service for 2 to 3 years. But after the introduction of these Ola, Uber, the Maru cabs are totally closed their operations and they have joined into some other things. Whether these Ola people or Uber people invested anything into cabs where they have purchased their own cabs? No, they have not at all purchased their own cabs. They do not have any own cars into their capacities. Without investing anything, they are making the profits. They think in a different way. Simply they have developed some application. By developing the application, they have called the drivers or owners and they have provided the services between the customers and the owners, or B2C we can call it. And also they are providing the services for the B2B also. So without investing anything, any rupee, now they are enjoying the profits. OYO rooms are there. Previously we are having the lodges, guest houses, everything. But now OYO, even though he is an interfail candidate, now he is enjoying profits. Whether he invested anything into hotels? No. He is not investing anything into the hotels. Just he shared his views. Just he shared his ideas. And most of the people are ready to book the OYO rooms only. Because the rooms in all the hotels will be with the same infrastructure, same model they are going to have. You have seen the restaurants in Hyderabad, like previously we used to have Swagat restaurants. Most of the Swagat restaurants are there. They are having branch of restaurants. Now they have changed their names as other people are starting. If you have seen the Swagat restaurants, they are having innovative ideas. One branch is different from the other branch. Like decoration, interior of the branches will be totally different. So to attract the customers, to attract the people, to satisfy the people, they are making the different interior decorations for their people. Because if you have visited the same hotel, with the same environment, people may get bored. So to create a different environment for them, they have made it as different ideas into their interior decorations. One hotel may be with the bikes decoration, another hotel may be with the like bicycle decoration, another with the boards. If you see the Nagal Swagat or Nagal Kinnara now, we will see that train like decoration like a train, interior like just like a train cabins. So by having these type of innovative thoughts, they are attracting the people. We won't get people if we won't get any board. We can go with our kids. Or we can go with small people. They will enjoy there. So this is the ideas they are developing to attract their customers. So nowadays, as we are having so much of competitive world, as the competition is very much in nowadays, if you want to overcome the competition, we need to have the thinking different from the others. So innovation is what is desirable to users, what is viable in the market, what is possible with the technology. If you are thinking different from the others, whether we are having a viable market for that or not, we need to think that also. If you are having a viability for the market, then we can sell more and more. Without having any viability in the market, if you have innovated some products, so that is a waste of funds only. So if you see these definitions, what is innovation? Innovation is an idea or practice, an object that deserves a new and individual or other unit of adoption. See, nowadays, innovation not only by the technology. In general, we will see that innovation means technology. Nowadays, for the innovation, we are having business intelligence or artificial intelligence. Without the technological support also, we can innovate. But by using the technology, we are innovating the products and we are reaching the expectation of the customers. You see this. Thinking different from the others is called as innovation. Okay? We need to think different from the others. If you have innovated something, it distinguishes between the leader and follower. If you have innovated something means you are the leader. Others will follow you. Why we need to have the innovation? To have a rapid change in the economy, we need to have the innovation. Because as the developing countries are developed countries, they need to develop their economy. They need to have a rapid change. As nowadays we are into monopolistic markets, not into monopoly market. As we are into a monopolistic market, there is a huge competition. You know that in economics you may come across BTech people also or BA people also. You may have MEA, Management Economics and Accounting, or MEFA subjects. You may come across demand and supply markets. As we are into monopolistic competition, there is so many buyers are there and so many sellers are there. We want to become the different from the others. So, and also in that economy, we want to have a rapid change, rapid growth for our economy, rapid growth for our business also. And also, we need to survive for a long period. As we know that the business has started for the long run, we need to have a survival for the long period. So when we are going to have a survival for a long period, if you are different from the others, if you have produced different products from the others, then only we are going to have the survival for a long period. We have seen mobiles industry. Nowadays, all the people are using mobiles. Previously, we used to have Samsung, Nokia, Ericsson phones with the keypad. Nowadays, at that time, Nokia occupied more than 70% of the market share. After some period, Samsung occupied more than 70% of the market. Now they reduced by introducing some ideas or some the size of the by reducing the size of the phones. They have increased the market share and Nokia lost the market share. After a certain period, Ericsson, by introducing a quality camera into their phones and quality music system into their phones, they have expanded their market share. Other people have lost their market share. As they have innovated something. They have added some features for their cameras. They have added some features for their music systems in their phones. By adding these systems, they have occupied more market share and they have increased their market share. But without having this, it is very difficult because day by day, the market share of the phones are changing. If you see nowadays, we are having MI. These people thought that in future, people may use more than one number. At that time, these MI people introduced dual SIM phones. Previously also we are having dual SIM phones, but those phones are not occupied that much of market share for their phones. But why this MI occupied most of the market share means the features that are introduced into their phones are different from the others. What are the features introduced into their phones are different from the others? Because see, you know that IMEI number is a mandatory number for any mobile. Previously, when these Big Bazaar or Big C, these people introduced their phones with the dual SIM, 3 SIM slots, IMEI number is only one. Now, as the government changed their rules and regulations, based on the rules and regulations of the government, these MI people introduced new mobiles, new handsets into the market with the variety of the features, with the variety of the camera clarities. Previously, we used to carry a camera. Canon is the main we used to have previously. And we used to use the reels. From that, we have shifted to the chip cards. Now, from the chip cards, now whether we are purchasing any phone cameras, no, we are not purchasing any digital cameras or any cameras. Most of the people are using their mobiles as a camera. That is a change made by the mobile users, mobile producers. That's innovation. That is a technology they added for their products. By adding that type of technology, that type of apps, now they are ruling the market. If you see nowadays, you don't find much of the Nokia phones in the present scenario. In present scenario, by adding these two cameras, and nowadays they have added 3-4 cameras, zoom cameras like that, with the high megapixel front cameras. This MI ruling the market. Previously, we used to have Nokia phones. They ruled the market at that time. Now, whether we find any Nokia phones, the market share of the Nokia phones are reduced to 5 to 6% nowadays. Because what are technology used or what are the innovations made by the MI, they have not made added in the Nokia phones. Now we used to find the Samsung phones, but the share is decreased. That's the role. That's the role of innovation played in the market of the MI. They have added so much of technological changes for their products, or they have think different from the others. By thinking different from the others, they added first front cameras for the selfies, all those things, and also they increased internal storage for their phones. They increased nowadays as people we want to have more battery backups. Now they increase the battery backups. We have seen iPhones. If you compare with the iPhone and MI, even though it's a brand, iPhone is a brand, most of people will not use any iPhones. Why means, even though nowadays people are using 2 to 3 numbers, these iPhone people are not at all introduced. Dual SIM now latest version they are introducing, but in olden days or previous versions they have not introduced. That is the reason the share of the market for the iPhones is limited only. And if you come into the compare with the battery backups, as the MI, all those people are using 5000 mAh, all this, but these iPhone people will use only 2000, 2500 mAh. So now they added ion batteries. Previously we used to have some other batteries. Now they are adding something into their batteries. So by changing the battery backups, by adding something, some ion batteries, or by using ion batteries or all those things, they are expanding their market. They are selling more and more their products. By expanding the markets and by increasing the sales, automatically profits of the organization will be increases. So that is the reason this innovation playing a vital role in the present business. Okay? The innovation is a term established in the year 1990s. So if you see these things, we are having some difference between the innovation and invention. If you see this, invention is the creation of the new product or service or process. It is the introduction of the new product, service or process into the marketplace. Here we have introduced, created, but we have implemented or we have introduced into the market also. So this invention may not commercialized, but innovation is commercialized. You see this, usually restricted to R&D center only, invention, but it's spread across the organization. See, with the product innovations, we are having different phases. We can increase our product process. We can reduce the time of production also. Nowadays we are saying, we may hear the word called business process re-engineering. So with the innovation, with the implement of the innovations, by implementing